Welcome to Top Reviews Lab. The best toilet flusher handle is probably one of the most overlooked yet crucial components in your bathroom, silently ensuring a clean and hygienic environment with every flush. It's a small part, but its functionality, durability, and aesthetic appeal can significantly impact your daily experience and the overall look of your toilet. Choosing the right flusher handle isn't just about picking a replacement, it's about selecting a reliable tool that complements your bathroom style while performing its essential duty flawlessly for years to come. Number 5. Danco 80806 Toilet Tank Replacement Handle. Is your current toilet handle broken or worn out? This replacement handle is the perfect solution for an easy upgrade or repair. Featuring an 8-inch lift arm with adjustable holes, you can easily customize the chain length for optimal flushing performance. Designed to fit most standard toilets, simply check the arm length to ensure a perfect match for your needs. Built to last with durable aluminum and a corrosion-resistant finish, this handle is made for longevity. Its classic chrome finish seamlessly complements any bathroom decor, adding a touch of elegance. Rely on the Danco brand, a trusted name for over 50 years, to provide reliable solutions for all your home improvement projects. What we like? This one offers an adjustable lift arm for optimal flush functionality. Its durable aluminum construction with a corrosion-resistant finish ensures longevity. If you're looking for a reliable replacement that offers flexibility in tuning your flush, this is a great choice. What people say. The handle is easy to install and fits perfectly on my toilet. It has a sturdy construction and feels durable. The flush mechanism is smooth and effective, providing a strong flush every time. Number 4. Qualihome Brushed Nickel Front Mount Toilet Handle Replacement Kit. This replacement kit is specifically designed for toilets where the flush handle is located on the front of the tank. Please confirm your toilet's handle placement before purchasing, as front mount and side mount handles are not interchangeable. It's engineered to fit a wide range of standard front mount toilet tanks, including popular brands. Ensure compatibility by checking the handle location, tank opening, arm direction, and internal clearance. Enjoy reliable lever action with a sturdy aluminum flush arm and a stylish plastic handle featuring a classic brushed nickel finish. It includes the necessary components and utilizes your existing toilet flapper chain. The plastic handle is resistant to corrosion and tarnishing, ensuring lasting performance. Its design combines the right materials for each part, providing optimal flush strength and lever action. Replace your old toilet handle in just a few minutes with this simple, tool-free installation. The lock nut is reverse threaded, making it easy to secure by hand. What we like? This handle is specifically designed for front mount toilets and features a classic brushed nickel finish. The plastic handle resists corrosion and water spots, ensuring it stays looking good. If your toilet has a front mounted handle and you desire a low maintenance, aesthetically pleasing option, consider this one. What people say. The flusher handle is made of durable metal, ensuring long-lasting use. It features an easy-to-install design that requires no special tools. The handle provides a smooth and consistent flushing action every time. Number 3. Qualihome White Front Mount Toilet Handle Replacement Kit. This replacement kit is specifically designed for toilets where the flush handle is located on the front of the tank. Please check your toilet to confirm it has a front mount handle before purchasing. It's engineered to fit a wide range of standard front mount toilet tanks from popular brands. Ensure compatibility by checking the handle location, tank opening, and internal clearances. Enjoy reliable performance with its sturdy aluminum flush arm and a classic white plastic handle. The kit includes the arm and a reverse thread lock nut, and you can reuse your existing flapper chain. The plastic handle is resistant to corrosion and tarnishing, ensuring it stays looking good over time. Its aluminum arm provides strong flushing action, with each part made from the optimal material for longevity. You can easily replace your old toilet handle in just a few minutes with this kit, requiring no special tools. Simply hand tighten the reverse threaded lock nut to install. What we like? Similar to the previous option, this one is also made for front mount toilets but comes with a clean white finish. Its plastic handle is engineered to resist corrosion and tarnishing. If you have a front mount toilet and prefer a simple, clean aesthetic that is built to last, this would be a suitable pick. What people say. The handle is easy to install and fits perfectly on my toilet. It has a sturdy construction and feels durable. The flusher works smoothly and effectively, providing a good flush every time. Number 2. Korky Strongarm Universal Metal Toilet Handle. Introducing a stylish faucet-style toilet lever in a beautiful oil-rubbed bronze finish. It's designed to complement any bathroom decor. This versatile lever fits right, left, angled, and front-mount toilet tanks, working with both 2 and 3-inch flappers. Installation is a breeze in 2 adjustable positions, no bending required. Say goodbye to tank leaks and sticky handles with this reliable flush lever. Its spring-loaded design ensures it always returns to the neutral position. Crafted from engineer-grade metal, this tank lever offers exceptional strength and durability, performing just as well as brass or aluminum options. Korky is committed to providing high-quality, universal toilet repair parts. Our products are designed for easy installation and long-lasting performance. Experience the reliability of toilet repair parts designed and manufactured right here in Wisconsin. We ensure a universal fit for most toilet models. What we like. This lever boasts a universal fit, working with various mount types and flapper sizes, and features a stylish oil-rubbed bronze finish. Its engineer-grade metal construction provides exceptional strength and durability. If you need a versatile solution that can adapt to different toilet setups and want a premium, long-lasting finish, this is the one to go for. What people say. This toilet flusher handle is a direct replacement for the original. It is made of durable plastic and has a nice chrome finish. The handle is easy to install and operate. Number 1. Danco Universal Toilet Tank Lever Handle, Chrome. Experience lasting durability with its robust metal construction. This ensures it stands up to daily use for years to come. It comes with a plastic nut that securely fastens the handle to the arm, providing added strength and stability. The maximum flush arm length is 8 inches, offering flexibility for your specific toilet setup. This handle is designed to fit perfectly on the front left side of your toilet tank. Enhance your bathroom's aesthetic with its high-quality, modern chrome finish. It's designed to beautifully complement your existing fixtures. Installation is a breeze, requiring only simple household tools. This makes it an easy do-it-yourself project for anyone. What we like. This option features a durable metal construction with an 8-inch flush arm and a modern chrome finish. It's designed to fit the front left side of the toilet and will easily match existing fixtures. If you have a standard setup and are looking for a straightforward, durable replacement with a classic chrome look, this is an excellent DIY-friendly choice. What people say. The handle is easy to install and fits perfectly on my toilet. It looks great and has a nice weight to it, feels very sturdy. The flush is strong and consistent, no more half flushes. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.